Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AM London Grow. So friends, 15th March 2026 last date है for payment of final installment of advance tax. So please इस ड्यू डेट को याद रखिए और इस ड्यू डेट तक अपनी एडवांस टैक्स की लाइबिलिटी पे कर दीजिए which is 100% of your total liability and which is applicable to individuals, HUF and businesses. अगर आपकी total tax liability 10,000 या उससे ज़्यादा है for the financial year 26 25 26 and to avoid the interest and penalty under section 234C. So friends, एक सिंपल एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं कि हमने कैसे हम एडवांस टैक्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. Suppose if your estimated turnover sales is 10 lakhs, expenses is 6 lakhs, then your net profit is 4 lakh. And if your other income is 1 lakh, then your gross total income is 5 lakhs. And after deducting the 80C deductions, 80T deductions in case of individuals, HUF, or suppose in case of company, the other deductions 1 lakh, so taxable income is 4 lakh. And on the basis of this taxable income, your suppose you are a company, so 30% you are in 30% tax bracket. So 1,20,000 is your income tax. And because you are not surcharge is not applicable on you, so surcharge is nil. And after that, HSE, health and education cess is 4%, and total tax liabilities is 1,24,800. And after deducting TDS TCS of 50,000, your net advance tax is 74,800. And now we will go to this tab. And suppose for example we are paying this 100% advance tax of on 15th March. So cumulative tax payable is 74,800. For example, if we have already paid 50,000 of advance tax in our previous in these installments, 15th June, 15th September, 15th December, so we have to pay now 24,800 before 15th March. So friends, please pay your advance tax before 15th March to avoid interest penalty under section 234B and C. Thank you for watching my video.